Today, we are going to take a break from our research and get into creating an Excel spreadsheet that we will attach in our PowerPoint presentation about the Winter Olympic event that we researched. Our Excel spreadsheet is going to be data collected during the Olympics about the medals won by the United States. It's going to help us organize the data in a easier way to read it, create a chart that we will then put into our multimedia project. Our goal today is that you will be able to utilize Microsoft Excel to create a spreadsheet. You will be able to independently create a spreadsheet using Microsoft Excel and the tools taught by none other than me. We will learn about spreadsheets, cells, columns, rows, charts and graphs, horizontal, vertical, and sorting, along with formulas and a few other pieces. Let's get started. Everyone's going to get this sheet when we are done. This is the medals. Now looking at this, it's kind of hard to read. Who has gold? Who has silver? Who has bronze? But this is how I got it off the internet. We're going to use Microsoft Excel to organize this data for us and put it into a chart. Everybody's going to click on the MS Excel 2016 icon. Make it nice and big. And I need to label my columns. The columns go up and down, and they are labeled with letters. My first column, looking at my paper, is going to be the event. I'm going to put event here. That way I know what belongs in column A. The only thing going in column A is going to be the name of the event. Very good. Column B is going to be gold medals. Column C is going to be silver medals. And what comes last? Bronze medals. I'm going to label my columns. I like things to be in the center of my Excel spreadsheet. I think it makes it easier to read. To do that, I highlight all of these letters up the top because then it goes all the way down. I could just highlight the cells, the boxes, but then it's only going to center those boxes. And I want all of my information to be centered. So again, I clicked on the A, I held it down, and I drug it over to the D. Then I come up here to alignment, and I'm going to choose the second one on the bottom. And if I mouse over it, what does it say? Center. That means it's going to put everything in the center for me. Center. Okay. Now, I'm going to list the events that the United States won medals in. The first one is snowboarding. If you want to use the abbreviations, that's fine. If my words do not fit in here, I need to make my column larger. To do that, I put my mouse on the line in between the A and the B, and I'm going to drag it over. Now this column is larger and will fit the words. If I go to row 3, that's what I'm in. On this one, and this was freestyle skiing. Go down to the next one, alpine skiing, ice hockey, curling, cross-country skiing, once you have all of your events typed in, we can begin to fill in our medal count. This is the order in which they're listed on the sheet. Gold would be the first number, silver the second, bronze the third. If there's This is the first number. So even though there's only one number here, gold. So what would we put in place for the silver and bronze? 0, 0. Silver and bronze, 0, 0. Let's fill in our medal count from our sheet. Snowboarding, we got 4 gold. So that's the first number. Press the over arrow. My next number is 2. Over arrow, the next number is 1. Freestyle skiing, 1 over 2 over 1. Go down to row 4. When all of your medals are filled in like so, we are going to add some color to our data. I want all of this to be the color of the medal. So gold, all of this column to be silver, and all of this column to be bronze. Last thing I'm going to do today is insert, header, and it's going to split up my spreadsheet. And my header is going to be USA medal count. You can do this to any of your, you can change the font in any of your cells. I for sure want to change the font in my header because I want it bigger. I can click on this A until it's the size that I want. I can also change the font. US medal count. I have all my events. I have the numbers listed. This is all we're doing today.